So this is what you do. Close up. You play in the key of D. This is the key of D located on the 12th fret. The D note is located on the 12th fret. That's with a high octave, but you're going to play the key of D with a low octave on fret number 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the first note, D note, is located on the 5th fret, 5th string. Alright? So I want you to take your first finger, place it on the 2nd fret. Alright? Play it like that. Take your second finger, place it on the 3rd fret, 2nd string, play it like that. Take your 3rd finger, place it on the 3rd fret, 4th string, play it like that. Take your pinky finger, place it on the 5th fret, 5th string, 5th fret, play it like that. But you don't have to worry, because even you can remove this your pinky finger and you will still be left with the D note on your 2nd string, 3rd fret. So don't worry, you don't even need to place this one here. But for the sake of this tutorial, just put it there, okay? But you still don't have to worry, because you already have a D note on your 2nd finger. So that is the first step. Alright. Your second step, I want you to play a G. I want you to play a key of G, which goes like this. Take your first finger, place. So now I'm showing you the progression that you're going to learn to play the backup rhythm, okay? Second step, I want you to take your first finger, place it on the 3rd fret, 1st string. Let your first finger play the 1st string and the 2nd string, just like that. Take your second finger, place it on the 3rd string, 4th fret. Take your 3rd finger, place it on the G note, 5th fret, and play the bottom 4 strings like that. That is the second step. The third step, I want you to repeat this key here, though it will result to a different key with different notes. So I want you to play the key of A. Alright? Repeat this process here. It's just the same. I'll not explain this part. Alright? Like that. And then play everything. This is the key of A. Alright. The last step, I want you to play a 1-chord progression, which is here. A flat. If you want to play a flat with a power chord, or if you want to play a flat with a bar chord, you just add your first finger on that 5th string. 5th string here on the D note. Okay? So this one will tell you, this note here will tell you what key you are playing or what chord you are playing. Okay, like that. So we are playing a D flat. This one is a D flat. But now I'm using it. I'm using a 1-chord progression. Okay, that is the progression. So you have a D, you have a G, you have an A, and then you have a D again. Alright, that is the first step. So guys, very quick. This is now we have reached the part where now we learn the backup rhythm. The first the one that I played in the back, or the one that they use it to play in the back. Okay. So you start with a 1 chord. Start with this chord, the chord that I showed you. Here, you start with here. So this is what I want you to do here. I want you to play string, because you're not seeing this my picking hand. I'll just tell you what you're going to do. When you are in your flat, D flat, I want you to play string 3 and string 2, just like that. After playing string 3 and 2, I want you again to play I want you to now to play the key of A, like this. This is the key of A. Alright? Now by shortening that key of A, I just want you to remove your 3rd finger and play again here, string 3 and 2. So you have, check this out, you have want you to move with the same step to the key of G, placing 3 and 2. So you have, alright. Now I want you to play the key of A. The key of A. Ikiwa full, just play the key of A fully. Just add the A note. Alright, so you have, alright, that is what you have to now. Okay, go and play the key of G like this. And then that is the first step. Now, last step, to repeat the same thing. Sorry, repeat the same thing. Now, the last step, you will do the same thing. Remember the first step, we started from here. Now, the last step, you don't start from here, you start from key of A. Now I'm shortening it to here. I've just removed my third finger. I have removed the A note and played the E note and the D sharp note. Okay, E note, string number 2, 5th fret, D sharp note, string number 3, 6th fret. All right, so repeat. So just last step. Last step. Last step. Now let's add everything together, and this is what we have. We are wrapping up. Now putting everything together. Alright, so this is the end of this part, guys. See you in the next part.